Hey everyone, I made a new headband slash mask. Insert the nose adjuster. Probably should take this off before I do this.
Why are you laughing?
I made a joke.
What was it?
Mommy doesn't like my mouth noise.
No.
Yeah, like that.
Center it to the pouch.
My apologies for talking.
Install filter. This is one of those shop towels, which is a higher filtration ratio than the cotton itself. Filter is installed. Now wear the mask. Adjust the fit by twisting on this side and straightening out the band. Make sure it's tight under the chin. And lifting the headband up helps keep it tight under the chin. Adjust the nose bridge.
What are you watching?
Tuck it in if necessary for a better fit. Oh, I feel a draft on my nose.
What the heck are you watching?
That feels good, and it's not gonna pass any fit test, but at least I can feel that it's pretty secure on my face. There you have it, headband slash mask. Whoa, look at my hair. Even with all the stuff still in there. Let's see how it works.
Stop.
What?
Stop watching this.
It's a bit bulky. You'll have to take it off to make it look prettier. Okay?